Hey guys, welcome to my trade recap. Today is July 14th, Tuesday. Just got a winning day today. It's an okay session. Just a little technical difficulty for my trade. Could have gotten more, but my Wi-Fi started bugging. So I just chose to close my position early because I couldn't switch time frames and the chart was looking weird while I was on the trade, so I just took it off. So let's get into it. So we had CPI this morning, 6:30. So we had data lows here, which is our main draw on liquidity for this New York session. We have data highs, but we already swept data highs, so the highest probability draw on liquidity that we have is our data lows here. We have a 15-minute gap here. Also another 15-minute gap here. But I was already expecting that we're going to inverse this 15-minute gap and then potentially get a move on lower into our London lows here, but never got that. So after sweeping data lows, my main draw on liquidity was London lows because we have a bunch of low resistance liquidity here. Let's get into market open. 7:30, we manipulated into the 15-minute bullish gap, sending a move higher, and we got a retracement. But our main draw on liquidity is the data lows, so I thought that when we got this rejection block here, we would reject off right away. And this is my first trade here, and I took my first loss, which was negative 250. I got stopped out. We had to move lower. We inversed this 1-minute gap. Wanted a retest of this rejection block. We got it right here. But this is when my Wi-Fi started bugging, so I couldn't see the charts. I couldn't change time frames, and I heard that it entered me in the position, so I started panicking. I refreshed the chart. Thankfully I didn't get stopped out and I was actually up, but I just decided to close it because don't want to risk having another losing day. And as you can see, this actually would have been, and I risked only $200 for that trade, and I could have hit 1K in profit, but unfortunately had a technical difficulty, so we couldn't capitalize on that move. We did a retest of this rejection block and then finally got the move that we wanted into our London lows here. We had 8 a.m. After 8 a.m. we had a new bullish 1-hour gap here. So we did not end up taking London lows because I think we had too many bullish PD arrays. We have too many bullish fair value gaps, and we ended up respecting the 1 hour. Also ended up respecting the 15-minute, and now we're getting a move higher. And I still wanted to get a trade in, so we ended up getting another loss here, which was another terrible. And on my part, we were up 350, I think, and then I chose to re-enter again, risk $200, and then I entered right here. moving forward, I gotta stop re-entering once I know I'm set on my profits. Overall, I was disciplined, but I just, like, bro, you gotta be able to take just a winning day is fine, bro. You'll have your big days eventually. You know what I mean? But unfortunately, took another loss. So we were up 350, risk 200 on this last trade, and I got, now I'm at 165, which is still a winning day, but still, I should have not re-entered. Peace.